Mass Products was founded in 2013. We started with a welding machine in the boot of a borrowed car and a small 120 square metre factory in Mollendina. Today we brought everyone together out of the water and wastewater industry from South East Queensland. Some of the backgrounds we have attending today are consulting engineering companies that do a lot of design work for local water authorities and the councils all over the country, then right down to the guys in the field, these are the operators that are actually working in the field and having to gain access to the critical infrastructure.
It's good to get everyone from the industry. I've already recognised a few people that I've been in email with, and to see them in person is just an excellent thing.
I'm in the water industry, been in the water industry for about 16, 17 years.
Just checking out the new product launch. We use quite a few of the mass products, especially wet well lids and the access lids as well.
Safety is very important. There's a lot of issues with wet wells or sewer, there's odours and as well as falling heights. So yeah, it's very important that as soon as we open up these facilities, they're protected from the public, and then also the people using them are safe.
We chose Norwell Motorplex because of the world-class function centre they have. We're here today to talk about some of the challenges and some of the fantastic outcomes we've come up with our partners in safe access infrastructure. We got design engineering companies through to people in the field and the operators that have to access critical infrastructure every day to get better outcomes for them.
If the operational access isn't properly addressed in the planning phase, it will have a flow-on effect through the rest of the project.
Myself individually, I can find space entry, so I can go down into the wells and access them myself.
We want to work with you, and we believe we can help you the same way that you've helped us, and that is using our experience to improve solutions from the bottom up.
People's lives are at stake when you come to safety and fall protection, particularly in the water industry.
The supervisor fell into the dry well and shattered every bone in his leg.
If it's not clearly defined as a specific deliverable up front, by the time it reaches tender stage, it'll be missed.
This sort of technology helps us a lot in the wastewater industry, especially with sewer wells. Just makes it a whole lot safer for accessing wells and working around them.
There are still a number of existing sites out there still needing to be refurbished due to outdated standards, poor design, and even just the environment that they're subjected to.
The importance of upgrading existing sites' infrastructure is just as important as getting the new ones right.
I think it's really important for us all to get together as leaders in the water industry to really promote safety for both the workers themselves and also the public as well.
It's really important for us to get together and actually share ideas.
It was actually perfect. They gave us all the information we need in the drawings, all the overall dimensions, where the valve is, there's a ladder in there, how they're actually going to access the cover. And they wanted to work with us in coming up with a solution of how we can make it work for them.
Throughout the last 10 years, Paul, Ty, Adam, and everyone that you've probably dealt with have made a point to talk to everyone and figure out what works and what doesn't. So that's led to a lot of collaboration with you guys. And I wanted to thank you for that, because it's your input, your time, your expertise that has made us better.
In the last couple of years, the advances in well lids, especially with mass products, we use a lot of them because of it. It's just a fantastic product.
I've worked with mass products since their inception, I think it was about 10 years ago, and to see the company's evolution through that time to what they were capable of then to what they're capable of now has been really, really promising.
When you can touch the products and actually know how they work, see the new stuff that's coming out, especially make contact with Ty, who we deal with a lot, really good.
It's good to have a demonstration on new and innovative products in the market, because you don't really see it unless you get invited to these sort of expos and displays.
The guys at Mass Products, they make my job a lot easier, where I need something that's compliant with the specific water authorities' standards, and they can just provide me CAD drawings that go straight into my model, and just takes the guesswork out of it.
We thought we'd add a bit of fun to it today and learn a bit about driver safety training. I hope you guys have a bit of fun out on the track, learn from these professionals. Most of these people have to drive between site from their office out to a water reservoir, down a dirt road. They're driving multiple personalities on the road, so Not many people learn this technical side of safe driving. Introduce Paul Morris, the only driver to won the Bathurst Triple Crown outright. Welcome, Paul.
What a great turnout. We're going to be on track this afternoon and we're going to put you in a high performance environment.
I've been coming up hot for a minute. Everybody know the drop when I'm in it. Drop the top when I'm in it. Everybody know the drop when I'm in it. Yeah, I go so yo.
This is the where they learn driver car control and driver safety training.
They're out there in groups of 10 or 11 now doing 3 different rotations on the track. It's good for us to know that when they leave today they've learned a bit about driving as well.
Yeah, I think it's good for the industry. Like these guys have to drive not only on road but off road to some of their assets, some of their water reservoirs, some of the pump stations are down in all these dirt tracks, and these guys are going between site every day. So I think it's very important for them to learn that driver safety training and maybe do a course like this out here in the future. It's been a very big success. Thank you.
Thanks.
A day like this is great for building those relationships.
Very inspiring.
We are passionate about making things more efficient and safer.
I've been coming up hot for a minute.